What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well out there today. And sorry I haven't been on very much this week. You can probably tell I've got some issues going on with my voice. I lost my voice for a couple days. Happens every time there's a seasonal change. Like I get these allergies that hit, and it just happened to hit me this week. So I kind of took a few days off from recording. I'm back now, and hoping to get back to the grind here for you guys. And today I want to talk about this yield nodes update. So as of Wednesday, which was 5/31, I got a yield nodes update that was emailed to me from the guys over at Yield Nodes, and I want to read through this real quick to give you guys the update of what is going on. And I know a lot of my audience has some money tied up in yield nodes. I know several people personally in real life that have money, some of them some significant amounts of money tied up in yield nodes. So I want to talk about this because I know a lot of people are wanting to hear about this project and to see where we're at. So I'm going to reference a couple things, and then I'll try to show you where they're getting that reference from too as we go here. So let's jump right in. So this is the email that came out as of 5/31. Dear Yield Noters, we would like to provide you with the latest updates for the month of May. Okay, and you may as well say this is for the month of June also, since it came out just right before June. We are currently finalizing the details of our NFT launch in collaboration with our legal teams. Due to the recent changes in regulatory frameworks, it is crucial to ensure all things are legally covered. The NFTs will be released to you in due course. Please note that you will have the option to sell or retain them until we are ready to incorporate them into the new iteration of Yield Noters Pro, which may undergo a name change for marketing and representation purposes. Okay. The project Dicinnami has established partnerships that hold the potential for over $400 million in yearly revenue value, ensuring a strong position once Dicinnami launches. They will continue to gather assets and unveil these partnerships when they reach a more advanced stage in determining the functioning of Dicinnami. Given the complexities involved in money, law, and creation of decentralized economic area, the team of Dicinnami is also in discussions with a renowned university and money theory professionals to handle the development of the white paper and the mechanisms for value preservation within Dicinnami. They will share further details in due course. Currently, coin prices are experiencing high volatility and remain susceptible to fluctuations based on perceived value. However, true value would only be determined once the system is fully operational. Please do not be alarmed by low trading volumes at this stage. As assets begin to transact and we solidify our positions in the eyes of investors and partners, the trading volume should increase as well. Now, these coins they're talking about here, you can also see these on their homepage right now. They kind of go into detail about these. You can go look at those. I'm not going to go into the details on all those right now because, number one, my goal is I hope we just make it through this whole process so we can all pull some money out of this project. Okay, so that's where I'm at right now with this project. Let's see, the technology behind the Dicinnami coins. The technical development team of Dicinnami is consistently enhancing and upgrading the mechanisms, wallets, and coins. They recently started to release revolutionary technology that surpasses what is currently available in the market. While price discussions often overlook this fact, it is crucial to remember that the coin prices will rise once real value is transacted. Please do not let short-term projections overshadow the substantial progress being made in the background. All right, they go on here. Separation of yield nodes and Dicinnami. It is essential for our valued partners and appreciated communities to understand that yield nodes and Dicinnami are distinct entities. Dicinnami is the product, platform, and respective umbrella for the vision of a decentralized economy, developed by several different companies and contributors, while yield nodes is a master node service of a part of the underlying different coins. We kindly request your assistance in assuring a clear distinction between these facts. Let us not harm our own investments. Defamation and negativity. We are fully aware of defamatory statements and false rumors circulating about our project Yield Nodes, and we are taking legal action to safeguard both the project and its core brand. Yield Nodes has proven its resilience during challenging times, and we will vigorously respond to any attempts to harm our investors. We remain committed to protecting Yield Nodes at all costs. Despite the current market conditions, we are working diligently and maintaining an unwavering positive outlook. We firmly believe that everything is on track to build something revolutionary rooted in real-life value, while a significant portion of the industry has experienced setbacks. We understand the frustrations that may arise, but it is important to focus on our shared goal and look forward to the future, leaving the past behind. Sincerely, through the ups and downs, the Yield Nodes team. All right, so that whole thing, we get all the way down. They also have a spot here where you can go read their current FAQ. You can join their private Facebook group community group, and you can get answers and updates at the Discord server too. So going through this, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, but I only know what I'm telling you guys here. So I'm probably going to have the same answers that you do. So if you need in-depth, further detailed answers, go to this Discord server or go to the Facebook group. I will go ahead and I'll put these links in the description below so you guys can grab these so you don't have to go looking for them. But all this, they're going through, and like I said, hopefully this project can make it through so we can pull some money out. Like I said, I know some people that have significant amounts of cash tied up in Yield Nodes. And as of the last update I put out, which was it was the beginning of April, I believe, they had went ahead and did our payout. So they sent us our payout, at least added to our accounts. Okay, now we weren't able to withdraw that, but it at least gave us the 5% for the quarter as we were promised. So that was at least nice to see. But like I said, hopefully we're going to be able to take some of this cash out here. And I believe that is on the roadmap for, it's either right before the launch of Yield Nodes Pro, which is in Q1 of 2024, or it's at the end of Q4 2023. I can't remember on the last update what they talked about on there. But I know you're going to be able to buy and sell your NFTs and get completely out of the system if you want to totally cash out. So I know that's coming. That's at least what's on the roadmap here. And the whole Yield Nodes Pro system looks like it's going to be live in Q1 2024. It looks like they're still on pace for that. They haven't updated that or said that that's changing. So make sure you guys go over here to their homepage, though. I'll link to this, and you'll be able to see these coin updates and any other updates that they put out that are related to this. So as of right now, that's all I know on Yield Nodes. I wish I had more information. I'm in this, the kind of Yield Nodes boat, the same thing you guys are in, hoping for the best with this project. And guys, that's all I've got today. Hope you're all doing well out there. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.